All right, let's nail down the 2 settings you absolutely have to get right in Meshtastic. Sound familiar? You did everything by the book, but your devices just won't talk to each other. Here's the deal. For these radios to communicate, everyone's settings have to be exactly the same. This one setting is a game changer. It controls both how far and how fast your messages go. Honestly, the best advice? Just stick to the default. Long fast is the sweet spot for almost everyone.
Think of it like a simple profile that fine-tunes how your radio sends out data.
It all boils down to this. You can't have it all. More range means less speed. Okay, to really get this, let's just look at the 2 extremes on the menu. Faster settings are great for busy spots. Slower settings go farther, but they're just not reliable. And a word of warning, stay away from very long slow. That huge range, it's a trap. And that's exactly why long fast is the default. It's the best of both worlds, really. But hold on, none of this matters if you miss the #1 most important setting. And that's your region. Radio frequencies are regulated, and this setting keeps you on the right side of the law. For instance, the US is on the 915 megahertz band. Europe, they're mostly on 868. And this is non-negotiable. If you don't set a region, your radio won't transmit, period. So let's wrap this all up into a super simple checklist for you. First things first, set your region. Then make sure everyone in your group uses long fast. So now that you're up and running, the real question is, what are you going to build?